Welcome to Ronin's Corner, and let's make a Mickey wreath. My friend is a huge Disney fan, and we went to the craft store to buy some supplies to make a Mickey Mouse wreath. Items we used: wreath, hot glue, fake flowers, metal wire, scissors, and pliers. First, connect the small wreaths to the larger one for the ears. We're connecting it with some metal wire, and at first we tried to intertwine the wire with the wreaths. However, the best route was to cut the length of wire to wrap around the wreath, with both ends of the wire meeting in the middle, twisting the wire, tightening the bind. To really make it taut and tight, use pliers during the twisting. We glued the wire and connection to reinforce it. Tried to use the same technique with the hook, as most of the wire will be covered with flowers soon. Cut the flowers' stem ends to be flush to help with the gluing to the wreath. After that, time to plan out the layout and start gluing. Glue the back of the flowers as well as the wreath for the best chance of making a connection. We had a lot of flowers left over, so we added some more where appropriate. Also, remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Lastly, the bow. Cut and tie the ribbon like you would your shoes, and add some glue to keep it locked in place. We added some extra ribbon to make it look fancy. Afterwards, hang it on your door and you got yourself a Disney wreath on a budget. Thanks for watching. In the comments, let me know what else you'd like to see. Ronin out.